foreigners are taking jobs from you, and you say, no, we want jobs that are taken from us by foreigners. The question is, which jobs are those? Which jobs are the foreigners taking? They are making us fight over jobs of security guards, over jobs of domestic workers, because those are the jobs that foreigners are taking from us, which is not what you want. You want quality paying jobs which will sustain your livelihood. And therefore, we cannot fight over non-existing jobs. We must fight for the creation of jobs. Then once the jobs are created, we'll all be in the job market, because there is a functional manufacturing industry in South Africa. Why do you take chrome out of South Africa? Because today there's literally nothing you can build in the world without using steel. Chrome produces steel. South Africa needs steel. Steel factories are closing in South Africa. Why? Chrome goes to China. They produce steel cheap, come back to sell it in South Africa cheap, and the South African produced steel is expensive than the one from China. People then buy the one from China. When they buy the steel from China, it means the steel being produced in South Africa must close down. And when the steel produced in South Africa closes down, jobs are lost. There's no problem with getting steel from China. If the steel from China comes into South Africa, they must pay there by the entry point. They must pay 200 rand for a steel to enter. And then the South African steel must be sold for 100 rand. So the one of China is 200 rand. We welcome it. South Africa one is 100 rand. People will opt to buy the South African steel. And when people buy the South African steel, they create more jobs because the demand goes high. That's how you create jobs in South Africa, by protecting your infant industries. Because in South Africa today, even chicken, we get it from outside. Because the one produced in South Africa is expensive. And the chicken we get from outside is not chicken. It's the rejects and the leftovers. Rejects and leftovers doesn't mean expired rotten food. The Americans choose. They don't eat everything on the body of the chicken. All those parts that they don't eat, they send to us. So they don't like things like wings. They are people of a breast and things like that. The rest, they put it there, and then they come to South Africa. Those are rejects of America. So we become a dumping area because they are rejects, which ordinarily they would have thrown them away and not make money out of them. Now they send them to us and make as little money as possible. Whatever amount of money they can make, it's okay, because anyway, we're going to throw it away. That's why they come and sell it cheap here. But the producer of chicken here cannot afford to sell it cheap. As a result, most of the chicken factories in South Africa have closed because we could not protect them. And then we come back and say, there are no jobs. So, all you need is a decisive leadership that will say no to poverty and hunger, that will say no to landless and homelessness, that will say no to gender-based violence, that will say no to dysfunctional municipalities, because we know that poor service delivery undermines the dignity of our people.